We have an all-island team at Bangor Rugby Club. We've seen other teams in our league just signing everyone and announcing everything. There's almost a sense of pressure that we need to do the same. We have quality and depth throughout the squad. The players that have turned up year after year, they're Bangor boys, they're Bangor men. They've just not played at all-island standards or trained at all-island standards, just not believed that they were all-island players. They need a spark. They need a rebuild. It's up to us as coaches to provide the environment for players to thrive, for players to get better as players and as people.